awesome full body move for you. It's called a plank tuck. And you're going to be working literally every muscle in your entire body doing this. So you're going to come into a regular plank position, like so, and you're going to tuck and go back, tuck and back, tuck and back, tuck and back. Arms, abs, legs, cardio, everything.
To bridge.
We're going to do a static lunge hold with a tricep extension. This is going to give you an added leg bonus while you're doing your arms, but that's really good for burning more calories. Nobody has a problem with that. So, nice long lunge position, and you're just gonna hold it. Come on up, pump those arms back. Pump. Really squeeze that tricep when you're in this position like that. Squeeze, chest up, look forward. Killer. And then when you're done with those, you're just going to switch legs. Great.
Modified bird dog to progressive bird dog.
This full body move is called surrenders. You're going to come onto your knees, hold your dumbbells, lock your arms straight up above you like this the whole time. You're going to come up, up, down, down. Keep those arms tight. Up, up, down, down. Keep going. Up, up, down, down. Switch legs. Up, up, down, down. Switch legs. Up, up, down, down, switch legs, up, up, down, down. Killer, your whole body will be crying afterwards.
Work, grind, fly.